What's going on, you guys? This is the Max Caddy. I have another HP Z230. This is the workstation. This is the small form factor. I'm going to be the upgrades. So I'm going to switch to the other side. I'm going to remove the side cover panel. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to go and start off from the hard drive. So you're going to do is disconnect the SATA and power cable. And remove the clips right here to remove the caddy, hard drive caddy. It slides out. I'm going to be upgrading, guys, to 2 terabytes, the 3.5 inch hard drive. So you're going to connect back the SATA and power cable back to the hard drive. And I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to be installing solid state drive. To do that, you'll need a flathead screwdriver or Torx T15 screwdriver, and you're going to have to remove the screws here. The screws required to install a solid state drive, 2.5 inch. Either 2.5 inch solid state drive, or you can install 2.5 inch laptop hard drive in here. And you guys can use any brand you want. Solid state drive, 2.5 inch. I'm just going to go with the black one. And you're going to install the 2 screws on each side. And what you guys need is you have to get another SATA cable. Make sure it's not a short one, otherwise it's not going to fit. You have to be a little bit longer one. I would say probably, let's do this. I would say probably at least like go at least like 10 inches. Probably 12 inch if you can. It's about 12 inches. And you connect the back to power. If you guys are not going to be using the hard drive, then you're going to connect directly to the SATA right here, the blue one. The port right here, that's a blue one, it's a main to 0. Then if you're not going to be using the hard drive, but if you are, then either way, if it's a main boot Windows to the solid state drive, you're going to connect it right here to the blue one. The blue port SATA. So over here you guys can see it's a blue color. Now I'm going to show you guys upgrade the memory. You can use the DDR3 1333 or DDR3 1600. I'm going to be installing dual channel match pair. And when you install the memory properly, you can hear 2 clicks. Now I'm going to show you guys a video card for light gaming. I'm just close this, okay. And the video card, guys, I'm going to be using the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti. This one looks the same, but this is the GTX 750 low profile. And they both use the same brackets, but you will need a low profile bracket for this model for the small form factor, but they use the same brackets. You can, if you get the same video card, they include a bracket that you can change, but you have to use a low profile bracket video card. So what you're going to do is remove the latch over here, and you're going to move the two PCI brackets in the back. And we're going to be installing, guys, through video card through PCI Express x16 slot right here, the top one. And the power supply in here, guys, is a 240 watts, so it'll work perfectly fine. You don't have to upgrade. And you can also use the GT1030 low profile with the low profile video card also, you can install. So video card is installed. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the bracket and install it back. Close this. Okay, I want to make sure. You're going to close the side cover panel, then you're done. I'm going to show you guys the back side, how the video card is going to look like. And you're going to install the monitor directly to the video card, and you just get that. If you get it running Windows 10 64-bit, and you just go to nvidia.com and get the drivers for this video card, latest drivers. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I'll upload separate video for this assembly teardown. Thanks for watching. Bye.